हेलो। मैंने विजन एशियंट एंड मेडिवल की टेस्ट सीरीज से कुछ पॉइंट्स उठाए हैं, तो वो देख लेते हैं। पिट्रा ड्यूरा नॉन एज प्राचीन कारी, एंड ऑफ जहांगीर, मोती मस्जिद और पर्ल फोर्ट, दीवाने आम, दीवाने खास, जामा मस्जिद इन न्यू दिल्ली मसोलियम। ठीक है। तो रूल फ्लोरल डिज़ाइंस मेड अप ऑफ सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन्स, मेथड बिकम पॉपुलर अंडर शाहजहाँ, इट इज़ यूज इन ताजमहल हाउस। पीटर ड्यूरा जो है, जो यहाँ पर भी यूज़ हुई है और कहाँ कहाँ हुई है ये बता दिया है। ईरान गिलेंड काथिया चैल्कोलिथिक एज है। ईरान गिलेंड काथिया। ऋग्वेदिक में वुमेन अटेंड असेंबलीज एंड ऑफर सेक्रीफाइसेस अलोंग हस्बैंड प्लस प्रैक्टिस लेवरेट मीन्स डिसीज्ड ब्रदर मैरीज हिज विडो। Widow remarriage existed. No example of child marriage in Rigvedic. Now, चौथ है सर देशमुखी taxes collected not Maratha but neighboring Mughal Empire or Deccan Sultanate. चौथ क्या है? चौथ is a 1/4 of the land revenue paid Marathas in order to avoid the Maratha raids. सरदेशमुखी क्या है? Additional levy 10% on those lands which Maratha claimed hereditary rights. Right? तमिलनाडु तमिल लिटरेचर नोन एज संगम लिटरेचर चोला पीक पर था। चोला के टाइम पीक पर। तेलुगु ड्यूरिंग 11th सेंचुरी विजयनगरा एंड उत्तर कोड पॉइंट ऑफ किंग बुक का कंपोज्ड बाय नचना सोमान था। तेलुगु एंड अष्टदिग्गज। कालीघाट पेंटिंग्स short lived style of watercolor painting produced in the 19th century in India by artists in the Calcutta marketplace for sale to pilgrimage visiting the कालीघाट temple। मैंने जीएस कोड से लिए हैं पॉइंट्स, देख लेते हैं ये भी। cause of the origin of Buddhism and Jainism. Kshatriyas' reaction against the domination of the Brahmanas who claimed various privileges was one of the cause of the origin of new religion. Spread of a new agriculture economy in northeastern India, including UP and Bihar, also led to the rise of new religion. They preached the gospel of non-violence, which would put an end to the wars between different kingdoms and consequently promote the trade and commerce. That was the cause of the origin of Buddhism and Jainism. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देख लेते हैं। इंडिया काउंसिल वॉज क्रिएटेड under the Government of India Act 1858. India Council was completely subordinated to the Secretary of State, who was the head of the council. By 1869, council was completely subordinated to the Secretary of States. No Indian had a voice in the Indian Council or the British cabinet. Mir Sayyid Ali and Abbas Samad were present in the court of Humayun. Mir Sayyid Ali and Abbas Samad were present in the court of Humayun. They migrated from Iran to Mughal court and accompanied Humayun to Delhi. Indian Council Act of 1861 enlarged the Governor General Council for the purpose of making laws, in which capacity it was known as the Imperial Legislative. Imperial Legislative Council possessed no real powers and should not be seen as a sort of elementary or weak parliament. Secretary of State could disallow any of the Legislative Council Act. Indian nationalist opinion was not represented in the Imperial Legislative Council. Abdul Hamid Lahori is known as the author of the Basha Nama. Abdul Hamid Lahori. Emperor Shah Jahan, hearing of his talents, commissioned him to write a history of his reign modelled on the Akbar Nama. Next देख लेते हैं। सर सैयद अहमद खान laid foundation of Muslim communalism and obedient to British ruler, urged Muslim not to listen Badruddin Tayyibji to join the Indian National Congress. The term great and little traditions were coined by the socialist named Robert Redfield in the 20th century to describe the cultural practices of the peasant societies. He founded that peasants observe rituals and customs that emanated from dominant social categories, including priests and rulers. He classified them as great traditions. Peasants followed local practices that did not necessarily correspond with those of great tradition. This he included them with the category of little tradition. During Savdeshi movement, he opened cooperative stores and headed the Savdeshi Vastu Prachani Sabha. first of Delhi from 1325 to 51. He was contemporary to Harihara and Bukka. The conservatives respected the Indian philosophy but also realized the importance of introducing Western ideas and practices. However, they proposed to introduce them very consciously and gradually. Till 1813 followed a policy of non-interference in the religion, social and cultural life of the country. But after 1813, they took active steps to transform Indian society and culture. Many of them respected and admired Indian philosophy and culture. Realizing that it might be necessary to introduce some Western ideas and practices, they proposed to introduce them very consciously and gradually, favoring. Tantric practices were open to women and men. Practitioners often ignored differences of caste and class within the ritual and frequently ignored authority of Vedas. First, his teachings, often known as Bhagavad, based on Bhagavata Gita and Bhagavata Purana, focused on absolute surrender to the supreme deity. He emphasized the need for Nam Kirtan. शंकरदेवा के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. As one of the leading proponent of Vaishnavism in Assam, his teachings often known as Bhagavati Dharma because they were based on Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Purana, based on absolute surrender to the supreme deity. He emphasized the need for Nam Kirtan, recitation of name of the Lord in satsanga or congregations of pious devotees. He also encouraged the establishment of Satra or monasteries for the transmission of spiritual knowledge and Namghar or prayer halls. His major composition include the Kirtana Gosha. In the early centuries of Islam, a group of religious minded people called Sufis turned to asceticism and mysticism in protest against the growing materialism of the Caliphate as a religious and political institution. Sufis thus sought an interpretation of the Quran on the basis of the personal experience. The Sufis organized communities around a hospice called Kanka. Chishti order was named after the place of origin, the town of Chist in central Afghanistan. Right? No manufacturing was carried out in the factory of the company. Right? The statement 2 is incorrect. They were paid very low salaries. Their real income, for which they were so keen to take service in India, came from the permission the company granted them to carry on a private trade within the country, while the trade between the India and Europe was reserved for the company. Abdul Hamid Lahori, Abul Fazl and Abdul Samad शाहजहां के कोर्ट में लाहौरी, अबुल फाजल अकबर, अब्दुल सामद हिमायूं. Right? So, ठीक है. Theosophical Society founded in the US by the Madam H.B. Balwasake and Colonel H.S. Olcott. ठीक है. इन्होंने TS फाउंड की थी. Theosophical Society. It was a revivalist of Hinduism and Zoroastrianism. Agriculture was contributing more to the economy than industries and trade. The society was unequal. Wait. So, it was a revivalist movement aimed at strengthening of ancient religion of Hinduism and Zoroastrianism. Vijayanagara Empire, agriculture was contributing more to the economy than industries and trade. The society was unequal and not a system was prevalent in the empire by the Brahmanas and was very common, well in circulation. Cholas undertook the famous Kadaram campaign in 1025 to 26 AD. South Asia non-partition Muslim leaders like Abdul Rasul, Ghaznavi, etc. participated. Most prominent leaders at the initial stage were moderate leaders like Surendranath Banerjee and Krishna Kumar Mitra. Militant and revolutionary nationalists took over in the later stages. In fact, both the moderate and military nationalists cooperated with one another during the course of the movement. Agitation was the active participation of women in the movement. There were also oligarchical Mahajanpadas where power was so exercised by the group of people. The term Jana and not Janapada is known from the days of the Vedic literature. Right? This much for today. Thank you.